understitching keeps the lining or facing or whatever it is from turning towards the exterior side of your garment. Or you can use it when you're making a bag or anything like that. Anytime you have a lining and you don't want the lining to show, but you don't want to top stitch, you want to keep that kind of hidden, or you are going to be top stitching, but you don't want two pieces of top stitching, two lines of top stitching. So my seam allowance, I went and I pressed my seam allowance towards my bias facing, so it's pressed away from my exterior fabric. So since I've pressed it toward the seam allowance towards my bias facing, I'm going to edge stitch along my bias. Now you can see that it's been understitched along there, and from the wrong side it's right against the seam, about a 1/16 inch away.